Greetings to one and all. Allow me to introduce myself. I'm Susie Rose of Susie Rose Designs, and welcome to my channel. So in our adventure, we'll delve into the world of sewing and quilting and knitting and a few other things that I do along the way. So if you want to learn how to sew clothing and sew costumes and learn how to do different different sewing machine feet and learn how to use different sewing tools, well, this is the place for you. If you want to do some quilt-alongs or some mystery quilt-alongs, well, hey, this is where we're going to come and play. If you want to do some knitting and some knitting-alongs and some mystery knit-alongs, well, hey, this is the place for you. So you know how it goes. Please subscribe to my channel and ring the bell down there so when we go on another adventure, you could come along with us. So I'll see you soon. That's TTFN. Ta-ta for now. Bye. Coffee. Must have coffee.
Coffee. Must have coffee.